Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial I will teach you step by step how you can change your video background in CapCut. So let's get started. Launch the CapCut video editor, for example, via web browser, start a new video project and add the video clip you would like to use for your video project to your project's timeline here at the bottom. I will go with that video clip here for demonstration purposes, so let me place it here on my timeline. And after that, add also the video background, like for example a photo or an image you would like to use as your video's background here to your timeline as well. Place it next to a video clip, and after that change the position of your video clip, place it on an upper timeline like that by drag and dropping it here so that it's positioned above your video background or your image. Adjust the position of your background photo or image here on your timeline so that it aligns with your video clip, just like that. And once that's done, guys, select your video clip on your timeline with your left mouse, and next go to the toolbar here to the right and select Smart Tools here, and from that menu here enable auto removal to remove your video clip's background automatically. Give CapCut a couple of seconds to finish removing the background, and once that's done, guys, there you go. Enjoy the fruits of your work. As you can see, that video clip's background has been removed automatically so that your image or photo is its new background. Now let me just adjust the size and the resolution of my background image really quickly. There you go. Now that looks really nice. Let me watch it in the preview mode. There you go. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.